5 seconds to go. Start. PW14 had been the other police officer who carried out the later part of investigation, recorded the statements of other witnesses, and then filed the charge sheet. For the present purpose, we need not elaborate on the testimony of this witness or the other witnesses who had been a part of the investigation, including the photographer and the testing witnesses. However, the testimony of PW6 Jamal Mohammed, father of the appellant, assumes relevance in the present case, particularly when he did not support the prosecution version and deposed in support of the plea of alibi as taken by the appellant by asserting that he had left the child with PW1 on 20th June 2007, had taken the appellant with her to Kolakudi village, and the next day he came to Priambalpur with the appellant after getting information about demise of the child when the appellant was arrested at the bus stand. This witness was treated as a hostile witness and permission was granted to the prosecution to cross-examine him. He was, of course, not cross-examined by the defense. The relevant parts of the statement of this witness could be usefully reproduced as under. On 16th June 2007, I had called Samsuddin, who came from foreign country, over phone. He asked me to come on Monday. On 18th, I took my daughter, the margin accused, and my granddaughter Farhana and went to the house of Samsuddin. I talked to Samsuddin that if leave the child in Priambalpur for education and if she is in their protection, Abdul Rahim would be sending the money. Samsuddin asked me to tell this to his mother. I went there and told that. She asked me to tell the same to her daughter Mumtaz. In this manner, I was telling for 3 days. They did not respond properly. When I started to go to the village, my son-in-law's mother asked me to leave her granddaughter Farhana alone and take my daughter along with me. On 20th Wednesday at 6 p.m., I took my daughter alone and went to Kolakudi village. The next day morning, we got the information over phone that the child Farhana was dead. We came to Priambalpur. They had arrested my daughter. My son-in-law Abdul Rahim is not sending the sufficient money. In these circumstances, this witness had been treated as hostile witness by the prosecution and sought permission for the cross-examination. The permission was granted for cross-examination. As Abdul Rahim did not send the money properly and manage the family, we dropped his child in Priambalpur. No one said us to go to Priambalpur. We ourselves went to the eldest son of the family, Samsuddin. As no one had responded at Priambalpur, we did not take steps to take the child again to Kolakudi. As she, that is my son-in-law's mother, asked to leave the child and go, we had left the child and went from there. I was working in foreign country earlier. At present, I am running the poultry shop's business. If it is said that I had deposed during police investigation that my daughter, margin accused, used to tell me that she is going to mother-in-law's house and hospital and was going in a wrong way, it is not correct. The police authorities did not examine me. If it is said that the margin accused was not staying in my house properly and that the conduct of the accused is not good and that if the same is revealed out, it will spoil the prestige of my family and hence I did not reveal it, They are all incorrect. Stop.